dear students. So today we are going to discuss some of first n terms of an AP. Near about 80% chapter we have already completed. Arithmetic progression. Okay. So the first few concepts which we have completed, in that what the sequence is, what the progression is, what the arithmetic progression is, what is first term, what is common difference, if A and D are given, then how can we find out the arithmetic progression, then if arithmetic progression is given, then how to find A, then how to find D, all type of problems we have seen. Then on the second part we had seen nth term, how to find nth term. The formula for finding out nth term was Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, fine. And the very last concept of this chapter is nothing but sum of first n terms of an AP. So, let's discuss the formula. Consider a standard form AP is there. Consider A is the first term, then we add common difference D, A plus 2D, then again D, A plus 2D, then again D, A plus 3D, and so on. So consider A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on be the terms of a standard AP. Okay, so consider this is an AP. Is an AP. Okay, no problem. Now, students, see here, we are going to take sum of first n terms. So what will be its nth term, students? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on up to nth term. So what will be its nth term? It is just A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, fine, no problem. Now the sum of first n terms is given by, now the sum of first n terms is, sum of first n terms is given by S n. Sum of first n terms is equal to, which one is the first term? It's A plus, which one is the next term? A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, and so on, plus the last term, nth term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, now tell me, students, which one will be the previous term, second last term in this addition? Second last term, this is the last term, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So the second last term is what? Therefore we can write this Sn is equal to A plus D plus A plus 2D, then plus, and so on, plus A plus, this is n minus 1D, that means suppose A plus 15D is there. A plus 15D is there. So what will be the previous term? A plus 14D, correct? A plus 14D. That means we need to subtract 1 from n minus 1. If here instead of n minus 1, 14 is there or 15 is there, if 15 is there, then the previous term of this one is 14D, A plus 14D. So in the similar manner, we can say that the previous term of A plus n minus 1D is n minus 1 minus 1, that means n minus 2 into D. Okay, fine, no problem, plus the last term, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, no problem. Now see students, this is my equation number 1, and Sn is equal to, this is the sum of first n terms Sn. Can we write the same step in this way? Of last term we will take it first. Last term will be our first term, a plus n minus 1 into d. This is my first term, plus second last will be my second term, a plus n minus 2 into d, plus and so on, plus this will be my third last term, a plus 2d plus a plus d plus this is a. This is suppose equation number 2. Okay, no problem. Now we will add equation number 1 and 2. After adding equation 1 and 2, what should we get here? By adding equation 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 equations 1 plus 2 will get here. Sn plus Sn, it's a 2Sn is equal to Sn plus Sn, it's 2Sn plus is equal to, now this first term and this complete first term you are going to add them. So a plus a, it's a 2a, plus this will be n minus 1 into d as it is. This is the first term in an addition. Now we will add second term. This is my second term here and this is my second term here. So you are going to add them together. A plus a again becomes 2a plus n minus 2d plus d. See, I'll show you here. N minus 2d plus d. So it will become n minus 1 into d. N minus 2d plus n minus 2d plus d. It's n minus d, n minus 1 into d. How will it come? I'll show them. N minus 2d plus d is equal to, we can write this d we will multiply inside, nd minus 2d plus d, distributive law. Okay, fine. So it is equal to, this is nd minus 2d plus d is minus d only, and this can be written as d common, we will take n minus 1 into d. Okay, so n minus 2d plus d, n minus 2 into d plus d, it will become 2a plus n minus 1 into d, plus in the same way every term you will get like this only, 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus and so on n times. How many times? N times. N times. Okay, no problem. Therefore we can write here 2 times Sn is equal to, 2 times Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 times Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, no problem. So can we write the same step in this way? See, 2Sn is equal to n into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, fine, no problem. This 2 is in multiplication on the LHS. When it will go to the RHS, it will become denominator of n. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Finish. So this is the formula for sum of the first n terms. Sum of first n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I'll explain once again. Sum of first n terms of an AP. No problem. We have considered a standard AP A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Now the sum of first n terms, sum of all terms in an AP is given in this way. We have just added one more term, which is the previous of this one, last term, and that will be A plus n minus 2 into D. Once you get this step, this is your equation number 1. For the next step, you just reverse all the terms. Your step is same, but just you have reversed all the steps. This is your first term, last term will be your first term, second last will be your second term, then this is third term will be third last, second term will be second last, and the first term will be the last one. And you added both of them, so you get here Sn plus Sn, 2Sn, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and so on up to n times. Therefore, 2Sn is equal to n into 2A plus n minus 1 into D we got here. And the same formula is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D.